Mic. Camera.
Hi, we are waiting for some people. Once.
Can I go upstairs? Can I continue the number on this?
I think we have the maximum number of participants. Those who cannot join, will be sending them the recording of today's. काफी लोगों को प्रोजेक्ट की समझने में दिक्कत आ रही थी, तो what we'll do is कि project is something so that we know that you have learned something from this internship. So we have divided this into two parts. अगर आप +2 में हैं, +1 +2 वाले स्टूडेंट्स हैं, या फिर बैचलर्स कर रहे हैं और you have just done bachelors, so what you need to do is you need to pick one disorder and उसके जो क्वेश्चंस और 5 क्वेश्चंस जो डिस्कस हो रहे हैं, you need to write them in your project and you need to pick one question from the list and answer it to your best of ability. ठीक है, I am repeating, you can pick any one disorder, उसकी डिटेल के जो 5 क्वेश्चन हैं जो हर सेशन के एंड में हो रहे हैं, you have to pick that and answer them, and you have to take one question from the list of questions that we have given you and you answer it to your best of ability. If you have done masters or beyond, the thing is you have to pick 2 questions from the list that we have given you and you need to answer them according to your best of ability from what you have learned. Plus you need to pick 2 disorders at least and discuss 2 cases in it. I'm repeating, for masters who are doing master's degree or those who have done master's degree, they need to pick 2 questions and 2 disorders and their management of the disorders. जो उसके 5 questions हैं, उसमें 2 cases की discussion होनी चाहिए. That can be the same case or any other similar case that you have encountered. ठीक है? If anybody has any questions now, they can personally message me. I think now it is much more clear कि आपने क्या करना है project में. The project for bachelors and below can be of maybe 2 pages of doc में बनाए आप सारे. Microsoft Word doc you can use. PPTs मत बनाना. And जो masters वाले हैं उनका maybe 3 to 4 pages का document. And you can submit that same at kalra.priyanka@gmail.com. जैसे जैसे आप करोगे 15th day पे do let me know that you have done so that we can put a mark that you have completed your project and then only we can provide you with the certificate. ठीक है? Anybody, any questions you can ask me.
So I have a query.
Please.
We have to elaborate the disorder. Yeah, we have to just question the 5 questions.
No, you give a summary of the disorder as well. You have to give the summary of the disorder,
including the treatment also.
Yes. And then the 5 questions, a brief summary about the disorder is required so that we know that you have learned from that.
And the second question is of how many pages?
You can have 2 pages if you are from bachelors or below. अगर masters वाले हैं तो then you, अगर double हो गया तो 3 to 4 pages हो जाएंगे आप. अगर आप summary discuss और 2 की करोगे और उसकी management of 5 questions और 2 questions की करोगे. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Case studies जो पूछ रहे हैं कि कौन कैसे करेंगे, case studies आपके जो case discuss हो रहा है, you can take up the same case or a similar case if you have encountered in any clinic. ठीक है? नहीं तो ये हम तो cases discuss कर ही रहे हैं, वही same case भी आप discuss कर सकते हैं. Okay. उसको ढक दो पूरा. Rhythm, I think I have explained you. मास्टर्स का सेम है, 2 केसेस एंड 2 क्वेश्चंस, और उन केसेस के साथ आपको 5 क्वेश्चंस और उनकी समरी डिटेल में बतानी, ठीक है? आई थिंक वी कैन एंड दिस सेशन एंड आई विल बी शेयरिंग दिस रिकॉर्डिंग. अगर किसी का मिस हो गया, दे कैन आस्क देयर फ्रेंड्स और दे कैन आस्क मी डायरेक्टली. ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन. Yes, this will be an individual submission. We can't keep track of कि किसने कितने करे हैं. You have to send from your ID and then tell me. You can't.